Good afternoon, friends. Thank you for coming. Today, we want to address you on a very important issue, a crucial issue which concerns the lives and livelihoods of common citizens. As you know, the Modi government has raised the price of petrol and diesel suddenly. Gas prices have already been raised. But what we want to say is that this is cheating by the Modi government. प्रचार के टाइम पे मेरे प्यारे देशवासी, सब चंगासी, सब ठीक है, सब ठीक चल रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं बताते on the energy crisis, on the fuel shortage, on the petrol shortage. Once the elections are done and you have looted the votes, you are now looting the purse of the ordinary citizen. आम आदमी के जेब पे आप हमला कर रहे हैं. पहले तो आपने वोट लूटा, अब आप आम आदमी का जेब लूट रहे हैं. तो मोदी नॉमिक्स जो है ये पूरी तरह से फेल है. मोदी सरकार का बबल फूट चुका है. द बबल ऑफ मोदी नॉमिक्स हैज बर्स्ट एंड the Modi government has cheated the people. Modi government is a cheat. D for धोखेबाज government. The Modi government is a धोखेबाज government. लोगों के साथ धोखा किया है. प्रचार में पेट्रोल और डीजल के शॉर्टेज के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं कहा. प्रचार किया, तैयारी नहीं की. जब तैयारियां चाहिए थी सप्लाई बनाए रखने की, कुछ नहीं किया. इवेंट मैनेजमेंट किया, प्रचार किया, चुनाव प्रचार किया. अब वोट लूट के आम आदमी का जेब लूट रहे हैं. एंड यू आर चीटिंग द पीपल. इट्स नॉट जस्ट द क्राइसिस ऑन petrol and diesel and the shortages of petrol and diesel, which is going to hit the common citizen very hard. It's going to hit all of us very hard. But India has been the worst performing currency among major economies in 2025. रुपया लगातार गिरता जा रहा है. The value of the rupee is consistently falling. The rupee is one of the worst performing currencies among the major economies. And in 2026, the rupee is the worst performing currency. The rupee in 2026 so far is the worst performing currency. I would also like to draw your attention to the fact that the economic survey 3 months ago had flagged two critical issues: falling value of the rupee, and also that FIIs, foreign institutional investors, are leaving India in droves in 2025 and now in 2026. Net FII outflows in this calendar year has been $21 billion. FIIs are leaving India in droves, and the net outflow in this calendar year has been $21 billion. So India is in a negative balance of payments situation for the last 2 years. So this is the all-round failure of Modinomics, the all-round failure of the Modi government. The Modi government's bubble has burst. And as I said, after looting votes, you are now looting the people. I also want to talk to you about the NEET examinations. As you know, the NEET examination, NEET UG examination of 2026 has again been cancelled. Again, there have been paper leaks. There have been 70 to 90 major exam leaks since 2014. Why can't the Modi government conduct a single proper examination? Why these repeated exam leaks? एक भी एग्जाम ठीक तरह से मोदी गवर्नमेंट कंडक्ट क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? और मैं ये भी बोलना चाहती हूं कि जो NTA, नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी, जिसका स्थापना मोदी गवर्नमेंट ने किया था 2017 में, मैंने NTA को लेकर के शिक्षा मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को एक चिट्ठी लिखी थी 2024 में. और मैंने ये लिखी थी ये कि एनटीए क्या संस्था है, ये संस्था के बारे में बताइए, इसके मेंबर्स कौन है, इसके वेबसाइट में इतना कम इंफॉर्मेशन क्यों है, ये एनटीए के जो एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स है ये कहाँ है. सो व्हाट इज दिस नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी which is conducting these examinations, and repeatedly examination papers are leaking.